Hey there! In today's video, we're going to tackle an interesting problem together. Imagine you need to create a diagonal matrix with 390 rows and 340 columns. But here's the catch. The diagonal elements should consist of a vector of 1 repeated 6 times. Quite the challenge, right? Let's dive into the solution. Let's start by exploring the first solution approach. By using the Kronecker function in R, we can easily generate the desired matrix. The code snippet Kronecker diag390 rep16 efficiently constructs the diagonal matrix we need. The Kronecker function plays a key role in repeating the vector of 1, ensuring it aligns perfectly along the diagonal. Voila! Problem solved with just a single line of code. Building on the solution, another approach involves using the outer function in R. By executing the code plus outer 1 to 390 rep1 to 390 each equals 6 x, we cleverly leverage outer to achieve the same diagonal matrix outcome. The function essentially checks for equality between the elements to generate the desired pattern. It's fascinating how different functions in R can be utilized creatively to address complex problems, isn't it? To wrap things up, we've successfully overcome the challenge of creating a custom diagonal matrix with specific elements using R. Hopefully, you found this solution insightful and can apply these techniques in your projects as needed. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding, and may your matrices always be diagonal. See you in the next video.